Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cross your eyes easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to remove my glasses and show you myself crossing my eyes like that over and over again, just to give you an idea of what it looks like, just like that. I'm going to show you a very, very easy way, a few simple steps that you can use to learn to cross your eyes in a matter of hopefully a couple of minutes. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is focus on looking down, okay? So to do this, you're going to get your two fingers, okay? It can be, just use your index finger like this, put them right in front of your eyes like that. Let me angle myself. I can barely see. My eyesight is absolutely horrible. So without my glasses, I really need to squint and get close to the camera to see what you all see. There we go. So you want to get your fingers like that in front of your eyes, okay? And essentially you want to focus on your fingers and then bring your fingers down until you basically can't see them anymore, like that, okay? Once they're at the bottom and you're sort of looking down, you want to bring them in like this, okay? Then what you're doing is you're sort of bringing in your vision towards the center, but you're not probably going to be cross-eyed yet. The thing that you need to do to get your eyes to be crossed is right here. You see this thing that I'm wiggling? My nose right here. Your nose, my nose, whoever is watching this video, their nose, okay? Believe it or not, your nose is the key. I knows that your nose is the key. I know that your nose is the key. It's a bad joke, I know. I know that your nose is the key to crossing your eyes because you got to focus on your nose. So once again, fingers like this, start looking down, bring them in and focus on your nose. And if you focus on your nose, you should see your fingertips cross in your vision. It's going to look really weird. So fingers in front of your eyes, bring them down like this, and then focus on your nose. There you go. And my fingertips are crossing in my vision. It's the craziest thing. And then all you got to do is just practice with your fingers. Look down, focus on your nose. Look down, focus on your nose. And then you can do faster like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Then you can do some really cool stuff like this. Check this out. Oh, oh. Anyways, so that's basically it. That is how to cross your eyes. Focus on your fingers, bring them down, bring them in. Then focus on your fingers, bring them down, bring them in, and focus on your nose. And that's basically it. It's that simple. That is how to cross your eyes easily. And like I said, it's a matter of focusing on your nose. It's that simple. You can do this, and then you can do some like upgraded tricks like this, like I said, like that. Crazy stuff like that. But I'm going to do a separate video on how to do stuff like that. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be releasing that actually relatively soon. So pay attention, stay tuned for that cool tutorial as well. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.